Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I am sharing Goan Sannas recipe. Soak 1 cup of Goan rice with water overnight. In the morning, throw the water out and wash the rice 3 times. In a mixer jar, add the rice, add 200 ml of toddy, grind into a semi-thick paste. Transfer it into a bowl. In the mixer jar, add half coconut grated, 4 tablespoons of sugar, water, grind into a fine paste. Pour it into the bowl of the rice paste and mix. Add salt, mix. Keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours to let the batter ferment. Now the batter has fermented, so I will pour 1 ladle of the batter in each stainless steel plate. Preheat the steamer for 20 minutes and steam the sannas for 20 minutes. Then remove the plates from the steamer and allow it to cool. Once it is cooled, unmold it. Sannas are ready to eat. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.